Welcome to the last module in IDP, Presenting Design Work. How do you make great videos? We're going to tell you how to do some techniques and some tips. How do you make great videos? You grab attention. You tell a story, and you only have 60 seconds to do that. So this is the art of storytelling. In your storytelling, you have to explain what is the problem and how did you solve the problem. So in one sentence, describe the problem. I want to have the best teaching class ever. What is important? Why should we care? How does it affect you? It is important because I want my student to learn, and we care because you are the student. It's your knowledge and you're paying for it. And does it affect us? Of course, you are the audience here. How do we solve the problem? What is unique about the way we solve this problem? So the earlier problem is the best class ever. The unique solution that we have is we use a flipped classroom where we have a video that you watch, and then we repeat some of the main point during class, and also we try to do more interaction by asking questions, getting you more involved, getting you to participate more.
If Apple were like everyone else, a marketing message from them might sound like this: we make great computers. They're beautifully designed, simple to use, and user-friendly. Want to buy one? Meh. And that's how most of us communicate. That's how most marketing is done, that's how most sales is done, and that's how most of us communicate interpersonally. We say what we do, we say how we're different or how we're better, and we expect some sort of behavior, a purchase, a vote, something like that. Here's how Apple actually communicates. Everything we do, we believe in challenging the status quo. We believe in thinking differently. The way we challenge the status quo is by making our products beautifully designed, simple to use, and user-friendly. We just happen to make great computers. Want to buy one? Totally different, right? You're ready to buy a computer from me. What it proves to us is that people don't buy what you do, people buy why you do it.
Okay, so I hope you learn from the marketing. If you've taken a marketing class, it's one thing to try to explain all the facts about your product. It's another thing to try to sell an emotion, a lifestyle, a prestige, and so on. In class, I will show you some of the IDP videos that have been produced by your seniors. And the objective of showing some of this IDP is not to make fun or to marvel at their work, but to give you ideas so that you can take some of these ideas and do your own ideas. Okay, so remember, you only have 60 seconds. See how they show you your problem, your solution, and why it is unique and why does it matters to you. Here are some general tips. Because this is a UI UX class and you are learning HCI, you have to show the interface. So provide some details here, but don't show everything. Less is more. Get them hungry for more. Speak to your logic, to their emotion. You're selling a feeling, okay? Not the actual facts and products. You do want that, but you're selling a feeling, a emotion. In 2006, Creative Zen was competing with Apple iPod. Creative was giving out ads that talks about specification, number of memories, frequencies, number of songs. Let's look at their example. Very cute. Let's look at Apple's iPod ad. So what do you think? Which one attracts the audience more? Use visual, it can be very powerful. You don't have to have all the details in there. Leave listener hungry for more. So here's the summary. Grab attention, tell story, have a high level look. You only have one minute. Use visual and shows the user interface. So your iteration 2 will be in week 13. Week 12 there is no class because in iteration 1, team 1 presented first. In iteration 2, we'll do it in the reverse order. Team 7 will present and so on. And if you look at the instructions for iteration 2, the presenting order is overview, video 1 minute, empathy 2 minutes, prototype 5 minutes. You will show the prototype together with your storyboard and all those things together. So make use of all that, and then how you do evaluation and the result your evaluation. Specifically, iteration 2, we want everybody to do reflection. So at this point, each member will come out and talk about their reflection. You want to do it very quickly. So just one sentence each, please. So the information about your exam will be discussed in class. We will cover this slide again in class. And we want you to do peer evaluation. So please give peer evaluation because your projects, each team get 1 score, and each individual in the team member will get the total 1 score, but the peer evaluation and your interaction with your mentor and your presentation and how you interact and your feedback from your peers will help you plus the team grade or minus the team grade. So not everybody will get exactly the team grade. You will go up 1 point or 2 points or 3 points or minus 1, 2 or 3 points. Thank you. It's been a pleasure, and I hope you learned something from this class. Here's the summary.